Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I've got a water saving tip for you. I cleaned out this milk jug. I put a couple drops of Dawn dishwashing liquid in there and some water. And I'm going to pour that in there, let that soak for a little bit, and still got some more. And that's the soup bowl, and I've still got the pot to clean. I'm going to pour that in there, let it soak for a little bit, and all I have to do is just scrub it real quick and rinse it out. And that way I've used that water twice. And as long as you rinse with hot water, you don't have to worry about any contamination. And it's just milk. I'm making a water jug out of that for the garden. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. Tell me down in the comment section how you save water. God bless everybody.